Oh, what do you see?
Mama.
That's the king.
This is Queen.
Queen. Very good. Very good, Phoebe.
Grandma.
And more grandma. That's right.
More Sleepy Beauty.
More Sleeping Beauty.
More Sleeping Beauty.
Oh, you like that page, I know. Who's that?
Mama.
King.
This is King and Queen.
And Queen. Very good. That's very
More
good.
Sleepy Beauty.
It is More Sleeping Beauty.
Mama.
That's the prince.
Elvis.
That's a dragon.
Dragon.
Yeah.
Seven. More dragon.
More dragon. That's right.
Mama.
That's the prince. With who? Who's he with? Who's this?
Sleepy Beauty.
Yes, it is. And it's all done. Oh, who's on the back? Who's that?
This is Double Mickey Mouse.
Dumbo and Mickey Mouse. That's right.
Mama.
That's the witch. Witch, you know that.
Mommy, no.
No.
Mommy, no.
Mommy.
That's Mommy. Yes, I have Mommy.
The witch.
Witch. Very good. That's right.
This is King and Queen.
King and Queen. That's very good.
Daddy, no. Just Daddy.
That is Daddy. Oh dear. Oh dear. No, no, no. We're reading the book. Sit down and read the book.
This is King and Queen.
That's right. A king and queen.
This is Nemo.
I don't know. It's just people.
This is Nemo.
Nemo?
I don't know. Oh, who's this?
This is King and Queen.
Yes. King and queen. Who else do you see?
Witch.
The witch. Good.
This is a Pokemon and Kikama and a Pikaman.
That's right. Oh, and who's that?
King and Queen.
King and queen. Who's that?
CPP.
Mm-hmm.
More CPP. More CPP.
More Sleeping Beauty.
More CPP. More CPP. This is King and Queen.
That's right. King and queen. Oh, who's up there?
Go in Kikama and Pikam. And then a Pokemon.
That's right.
This is Nemo.
What is that?
A horse.
That's right.
This is Nemo.
I don't know. There's people.
People.
Mm-hmm.
This is Pete.
That is the prince.
More Pete.
More prince. Who's that?
Witch.
That's right. Very good.
This is Dragon.
Dragon. Very good.
More Dragon. This is more Dragon.
Mm-hmm.
This is Mama. This is Nemo.
That's the prince.
More Pete.
Mm-hmm.
This is King and Queen.
That is the king and queen.
This is Nemo.
That's the prince.
This is CPP.
Yeah.
This is Nemo.
Who is that?
This is King and Queen.
That's right.
This is Mama. This is
Who's that?
CPP.
That's right. And so who is she with? The prince.
Ada.
Good girl, Phoebe. Hooray. Can you do hooray for Phoebe? Yay!